Are you ready for a smartphone that thinks like a computer, shoots like a pro camera, and might just make the iPhone look outdated? Samsung's cooking up 5 massive changes for the S25 Ultra that could change the game forever. Want to know what they are? Let's dive in. The biggest story here isn't just about speed, it's about redefining what a smartphone can do. At the core of the S25 Ultra sits the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and folks, this isn't your typical yearly upgrade. We're looking at something truly revolutionary. Early benchmarks are showing performance levels that don't just match, but actually surpass the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let that sink in for a moment. Samsung might finally have the edge in raw processing power. But what does this mean for you? Imagine opening apps instantly with zero lag. Picture running multiple AI tasks simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Think about playing the most demanding mobile games with graphics settings maxed out and the phone staying cool in your hands. The Snapdragon 8 Elite brings true desktop-class performance to your pocket. What's particularly exciting is how this chip handles AI processing. We're talking about on-device AI that can analyze your photos in real time, predict what app you'll need next, and even help with real-time translation, all happening right on your phone without needing to send data to the cloud. The neural processing capabilities of this chip are so advanced that it can handle multiple AI tasks simultaneously while still keeping your regular apps running smoothly. Gaming enthusiast, you're in for a treat. The new GPU in this chip isn't just incrementally better, it's a massive leap forward. Early tests show frame rates that would make gaming phones jealous, and more importantly, it can maintain those high frame rates without throttling. That means no more sudden drops in performance during intense gaming sessions. But perhaps the most impressive aspect is how all this power doesn't come at the expense of battery life. Thanks to advanced 3-nanometer manufacturing technology and clever power management, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is actually more efficient than its predecessor. More power, better efficiency? Now that's what we call innovation. When it comes to cameras, Samsung's Ultra series has always been at the forefront, but this year's upgrade is something special. Let's talk about the headline feature, a brand new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This isn't just a minor bump from the previous 12-megapixel sensor, it's a complete reimagining of what an ultra-wide camera can do. Think about those moments when you're trying to capture a stunning landscape or fit a large group of friends into a shot. With the new 50-megapixel sensor, you're not just getting a wider view, you're getting incredible detail across the entire frame. The higher resolution means you can crop into your ultra-wide shots without losing quality, essentially giving you multiple perspectives from a single photo. The real magic happens in low-light situations. The new sensor is physically larger, which means it can capture more light. Combined with improved AI processing from that powerful Snapdragon chip, your nighttime ultra-wide shots will look clearer and more detailed than ever before. No more choosing between width and quality. Now you can have both. But Samsung hasn't just focused on the ultra-wide. The entire camera system has been optimized to work together seamlessly. The 200-megapixel sensor gets new AI-powered processing capabilities, the zoom cameras maintain their impressive range, and everything works together more cohesively than ever. We're seeing new AI features that can combine data from multiple cameras to create photos that were previously impossible. Video capabilities have seen a significant upgrade too. The new ultra-wide sensor enables better stabilization, improved low-light performance, and more professional-looking footage. Content creators will love the new AI-powered video features, including improved subject tracking and automatic framing adjustments. When it comes to displays, Samsung has always been the industry leader, and with the S25 Ultra, they're pushing boundaries once again. We're looking at a massive 6.9-inch screen, technically 6.86 inches, but raw size isn't the whole story here. It's about how Samsung has managed to create a more immersive viewing experience while actually making the phone more comfortable to hold. Let's break down what makes this display special. First, there's the resolution. We're talking about pixel density that makes everything look impossibly crisp. Text appears razor sharp, photos show details you didn't even know were there, and videos look so realistic it's almost like looking through a window. But what's really impressive is how Samsung has managed to increase the screen size while keeping the bezels smaller than ever. The brightness capabilities are simply mind-blowing. While exact numbers haven't been confirmed, industry insiders suggest we could see peak brightness levels that make the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 2000 nits look modest. This means perfect visibility even under direct sunlight, and HDR content that pops with incredible contrast and vibrancy. Color accuracy has seen a major upgrade too. The new display can reproduce colors with unprecedented accuracy while still offering that signature Samsung vibrancy when you want it. Professional content creators will appreciate the expanded color gamut and improved calibration options, while casual users will simply notice that everything looks better. But perhaps the most exciting aspect is the new adaptive refresh rate technology. While 120 Hz isn't new, the way the S25 Ultra handles it is. The display can now adapt more intelligently than ever, shifting between refresh rates to optimize both smoothness and battery life. Whether you're gaming, scrolling social media, or reading an ebook, the screen automatically adjusts to provide the perfect balance of fluidity and efficiency. The S25 Ultra's design tells a story of thoughtful evolution. Samsung has taken everything that worked about the S24 Ultra and refined it to near perfection. The most noticeable change is the move to more rounded corners. But this isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a device that feels natural in your hand. The dimensions themselves tell an interesting story. At 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters, the S25 Ultra is actually slightly taller but narrower than its predecessor. This subtle change, combined with the curved corners and refined weight distribution, makes the phone feel more balanced and easier to handle, despite its large size. And speaking of weight, at 219 grams, it's notably lighter than both its predecessor and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Material choices show Samsung's commitment to premium quality. The frame is crafted from a special grade of titanium, similar to what Apple uses in the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but with Samsung's own engineering tweaks. This results in better durability while maintaining that premium feel we've come to expect from Ultra devices. The color options deserve special mention. We're not just talking about different shades. Each color has been engineered to interact with light in unique ways. The titanium black, blue, gray, and silver options all feature a subtle depth that changes depending on viewing angle and lighting conditions. For those wanting something more exclusive, the Samsung store will offer special editions in jade green and pink gold. Button placement, port layout, and even the S Pen slot have all been optimized based on user feedback. The buttons are more tactile and easier to reach. The S Pen ejects more smoothly, and everything feels more refined and purposeful. The final piece of the puzzle, and perhaps the most underappreciated, is the upgrade to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Now, we know what you're thinking. Do we really need that much RAM in a phone? The answer, with all the new AI features and multitasking capabilities of modern smartphones, is a resounding yes. This isn't just about keeping more apps in memory, though it does that brilliantly. The extra RAM plays a crucial role in handling the new AI features powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. When you're using real-time translation while simultaneously editing photos and having a video call, that extra RAM makes everything feel instant and effortless. For gamers, 16 gigabytes of RAM means better performance in demanding titles and faster load times. For content creators, it means smoother editing of high-resolution photos and videos. For business users, it means switching between multiple apps without any slowdown. The extra RAM also helps with future-proofing. As apps become more sophisticated and AI features more prevalent, having this extra headroom will keep your phone feeling fast for years to come. What's particularly impressive is how Samsung has optimized the memory management. The phone doesn't just have more RAM, it uses it more efficiently. New AI-powered memory management predicts which apps you're likely to use next and keeps them ready in memory. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and a more responsive overall experience. The combination of 16 gigabytes of RAM with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip creates a synergy that's greater than the sum of its parts. Tasks that would have caused lag or stuttering on previous phones happen instantly. Multiple AI features can run simultaneously without breaking a sweat. It's this kind of forward-thinking hardware choices that set the S25 Ultra apart from the competition. Well, that's it for today's breakdown of the S25 Ultra's game-changing upgrades. If you're hyped about these changes, smash that like button. For more tech coverage just like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment letting us know which upgrade you're most excited about. Catch you in the next one.